Assalamu alaikum. Students, welcome to our online class. Our today's lesson is Nokshi Katha, Unit 1, Lesson 2 for Class 8. Today's learning outcomes are Number 1, ask and answer questions. We can able to ask and answer questions after learning this lesson. Read and understand text through silent reading, informing from context, and we able to write a paragraph on Nokshi Katha. Students, we have known that Joshimuddin is a famous poet of our culture and our country. Joshimuddin, there are many works of Joshimuddin in literature. One of is Nokshi Katha. Nokshi Katha March is one of his famous poems. So students, let's see some important word meaning of this lesson. Quit. Quit means cover. Cover, blanket. Now we can make a sentence of this word. Nokshi Katha is a kind of embroidered quilt. Artistic. Artistic means creative. Creative. We can make a sentence. Nokshi Katha is made with artistic pattern. Commercial. Commercial means trade. Traditional. Traditional means old fashion. Old fashion. Demand. Demand means want or call. Want, call. Pattern. Pattern means design. Design. Now we can answer a question. What is Nokshikatha? What is Nokshikatha? After reading the text, we will able to answer this question. So students, you will read silently this passage at home and try to answer the question. What is Nokshikatha? The answer of this question is Nokshikatha is an embroidered quilt. So, I am giving you a homework. Students, you will write a paragraph about Nokshikatha at home and we homework. Write a paragraph on Nokshikatha. That is your homework. You will write a paragraph on Nokshikatha. So students, that's all for today. We will see you for the next class. Till then, bye bye.